The tension has now reached one of the most sensitive places in Israel, its own parliament. Not a border, though, not a military base. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about the heart of Israel. Welcome to Times XP's War Report with me, Dhriti Atri. And late at night, everything was pretty normal inside Knesset in Jerusalem. Lawmakers were in session, debates were ongoing, and the system was functioning as usual. And then suddenly the sirens began. A sharp, urgent warning cut through the whole room, changing everything within seconds. Proceedings were stopped immediately. In the meantime, lawmakers were rushed out as security protocols were activated. You know what was moments ago a political discussion, it turned into an emergency evacuation. And this was not just another alert, it was a moment when the conflict came right to the doorsteps of power. And according to reports, Iran launched a first missile barrage towards Israel, triggering alert across multiple areas though, including near Jerusalem. Even though there was no confirmed direct hit on Knesset, but the psychological impact, that was significant. The image of top leaders taking cover during a live session sends a very powerful message. Emergency teams quickly assessed the whole situation, and thankfully, there was no immediate injury that was reported in Jerusalem. After a brief pause, the session resumed, but the tension that remained very high. Once sirens reach parliament, well, the conflict feels much more closer and far more personal. And yes, at the very same time, another development added complexity to the whole situation here. Donald Trump announced a temporary pause in planned US military action against Iran, mentioning productive back channel talks and a possible opening for diplomacy. However, here's a twist. The reality on the ground, it appeared very, very different. Missiles were still being fired and sirens were still sounding. This contrast, it highlights two parallel tracks, right? Ongoing conflict and attempts at de-escalation. Security around Israel has now been tightened with several defense systems on high alert and emergency responses fully activated. When government buildings, they become the threat zone, the stakes that rises drastically. Now globally, this particular moment is being closely watched as it reflects how far the conflict has now expanded. From military target to political center, well, ladies and gentlemen, this shift increases the risk of stronger responses and further escalation. When sirens echo inside parliament, it is no longer just a distant conflict. It becomes a direct challenge to the nation's core.